Welcome, fellow travelers, to the enchanting land of Portugal, a country filled with rich history, breathtaking landscapes, and vibrant culture. In this travel video, we embark on a journey to discover the 10 most beautiful places in Portugal, each one offering a unique experience and a glimpse into the heart of this captivating nation. So, without further ado, let's begin our adventure. Number 10. Obidos. Our first stop takes us to the medieval town of Obidos. Surrounded by fortified walls and perched atop a hill, a stroll through its narrow, flower-filled streets is like stepping back in time. The town's castle, now transformed into a luxurious hotel, adds to the fairy tale ambience. Obidos' traditional festivals, like the Chocolate Festival and the Medieval Fair, are a testament to the town's vibrant cultural heritage. Number 9. Coimbra. Continuing our journey, we find ourselves in the charming city of Coimbra, home to one of Europe's oldest universities. As you wander through the university's ancient halls and libraries, you'll feel the weight of history in every corner. Coimbra's melancholic fado music conveys the passion and sorrow of the Portuguese soul, and the city's vibrant student population adds a youthful energy to its historical charm. Number 8. Evora. Traveling inland, we reach the historic city of Evora. This well-preserved medieval city is a living testament to Portugal's rich heritage. The iconic Roman Temple of Evora and the stunning Cathedral of Evora showcase the city's architectural grandeur. As you explore its narrow streets, you'll be immersed in the traditional art of handicrafts, which include intricate cork products and beautiful tapestries. Number 7. Azores. In the middle of the Atlantic Ocean lies the Azores archipelago, a group of 9 volcanic islands brimming with natural wonders. From the lush green landscapes and stunning crater lakes of São Miguel to the breathtaking waterfalls of Flores, the Azores offer a unique and tranquil escape from the bustling mainland. The Azorean culture revolves around fishing, agriculture, and traditions that have been passed down through generations. Number 6. Madeira. Our journey now takes us to the picturesque island of Madeira, often referred to as the Pearl of the Atlantic. Famous for its lush landscapes, terraced vineyards, and flower festivals, Madeira's beauty is truly unparalleled. Hike through the levadas, ancient irrigation channels, to discover the island's hidden gems, or simply unwind in one of its luxurious resorts. The locals' warmth and hospitality will make you feel right at home. Number 5. Douro Valley. Our next stop is the breathtaking Douro Valley, located on the banks of the tranquil Douro River. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is known for its terraced vineyards and world-class wineries producing the famous port wine. As you make your way along the meandering river, you'll be surrounded by stunning views of rolling vine-covered hills. The Douro Valley offers a unique opportunity to savor the delicious flavors of Portugal and witness the centuries-old winemaking traditions. Number 4. The Algarve. Now, we head to the sun-kissed shores of the Algarve, Portugal's southernmost region and a haven for beach lovers. The Algarve captivates visitors with its golden sand beaches, dramatic cliffs, and hidden coves. Beyond its coastline, you'll discover charming fishing villages, bustling markets, and a vibrant nightlife scene. Whether you're sunbathing on secluded shores or exploring ancient castles, the Algarve will leave you with lasting memories of Portugal's coastal charm. Number 3. Sintra. Nestled amidst the lush forests of the Sintra Mountains, we find the magical town of Sintra. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a fairy tale come to life. With its whimsical palaces, extravagant estates, and romantic gardens. Penna Palace, perched atop a hill, boasts a blend of architectural styles, making it a vision straight out of a storybook. As you wander through Sintra's enchanting streets, you'll be captivated by the tales of kings and queens who sought solace in this captivating retreat. Number 2. Porto. Our penultimate destination brings us to Porto, Portugal's second-largest city, renowned for its historic significance and port wine production. The historic Ribeira district offers a maze of narrow streets that lead to charming cafes and taverns. Don't miss crossing the iconic Dom Luís I Bridge, connecting Porto to Vila Nova de Gaia, where you can savor the world-renowned port wine, produced in the surrounding Douro Valley. The proud people of Porto celebrate their heritage, through traditional festivals and colorful boats called rabelos, which once transported barrels of wine along the river. Number 1. Lisbon. Finally, we reach the heart of Portugal. The stunning capital city, Lisbon, set along the stunning Tagus River. Lisbon boasts a harmonious blend of old-world charm and modern sophistication. As you stroll through its cobbled streets and alleyways, you'll be immersed in a tapestry of colorful buildings, ornate tiles known as azulejos, and historical landmarks like the iconic Belém Tower and the Jeronimos Monastery. Lisbon's warm and welcoming people are known for their fado music, a soulful genre that tells tales of love and longing, evoking a strong sense of nostalgia and emotion. And so concludes our journey through the 10 most beautiful places in Portugal. From the bustling cities to the tranquil islands, Portugal offers a diverse range of experiences that will leave you in awe. Whether you seek history, culture, or simply the beauty of nature, Portugal's charm will captivate your heart and leave you longing to return. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary journey. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bom viajam! And happy travels!